many of you will run out of medicine. Those of you who are critical. There are a number of ways you can support yourself. Is your medication for depression, for emotion? Try to make a sack, plastic bag, if it's liquid or tablet, and place it in cup with the zinc. And see how you feel. If your medication is for your physical, place your medicine in a bag, in a cup number 2. If you have a psychosomatic conditions or cancers, try to understand why with both. And try to be in the vicinity of your system, with your soul, not with your physical. At least you can try. Maybe you find that you'll find absolute solution for your illness without any further need for medication.